First, we go to cook the potatoes. We eat 3 potatoes in this way and let them cook for about 12 minutes until it becomes a little soft. And add salt to make it soft enough. Now, after cooking for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes and softening a little, drain them and put them in a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add salt, red pepper and turmeric and fry a little. In the meantime, break 4 eggs in a bowl and add salt, black pepper and thyme and add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix well. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell next to it so you do not miss the next tutorials. After we fry the potatoes well and smooth them with lychee to make it smooth. When it is smooth, add the liquid to it and put it in the frying pan to cook with a slight heat. Well, when we cook on one side with a gentle heat for about 15 minutes, we put a tray on it and turn it upside down, to accept the other side. Pour pizza cheese on it until the cheese melts while it is cooking with a gentle heat. Well, cheese is melted and after about 15 minutes, turns golden and is ready to serve. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell next to it so you do not miss the next tutorials.